Our planet teems with life. From the lush rainforests to the vast oceans, life thrives in countless forms. But have you ever stopped to wonder what powers this incredible diversity of life? The answer lies in a remarkable process called photosynthesis. This is the engine of life on Earth. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight into chemical energy. Imagine a tree standing tall and proud in a sun-drenched forest. Its leaves, like countless tiny solar panels, capture the energy of sunlight. They use this energy to transform water and carbon dioxide into sugars, the very building blocks of life. This process is nothing short of miraculous. It is the foundation of most food chains on Earth, providing energy for almost all living organisms. Without photosynthesis, our planet would be a barren and lifeless place. Photosynthesis is not just a scientific marvel, it is a testament to the intricate balance and beauty of the natural world. It is a process that sustains us, inspires us, and reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things. Photosynthesis might seem like a complex process, but its basic ingredients are surprisingly simple: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Just like humans need food to survive, plants need these three ingredients to power their growth and development. Sunlight provides the initial energy boost. Plants have specialized cells containing chlorophyll, a pigment that captures light energy. Think of chlorophyll as a solar panel, absorbing sunlight and converting it into a form of energy that plants can use. Water, absorbed from the soil through the plant's roots, plays a crucial role in transporting nutrients and facilitating chemical reactions within the plant. It's like the lifeblood of the plant, carrying essential components to where they're needed most. Carbon dioxide, present in the air we breathe, is the final ingredient. Plants absorb carbon dioxide through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. Carbon dioxide is like the building material that, combined with water and sunlight, is used to construct the plant's food. The combination of these three ingredients in the presence of chlorophyll sets the stage for the magic of photosynthesis to unfold. It's a beautiful example of nature's simplicity and efficiency, using readily available resources to create the building blocks of life. Why are plants green? The answer lies in a remarkable pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll resides within chloroplasts, tiny structures inside plant cells. These chloroplasts are like miniature factories where photosynthesis takes place. Chlorophyll has a unique ability. It can absorb light energy, particularly in the red and blue wavelengths of the visible light spectrum. This is why plants appear green to our eyes. They reflect green light, which they don't absorb as efficiently. Imagine chlorophyll as a tiny antenna, capturing sunlight and converting it into chemical energy. This energy is then used to power the process of photosynthesis. Much like electricity powers a factory, chlorophyll is essential for life on Earth. It is the key that unlocks the energy of the sun, making it available to plants and ultimately to all living organisms that depend on them. Photosynthesis is like a beautifully choreographed dance, consisting of two main steps: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, often called the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions take place within the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts, where chlorophyll captures sunlight. During this step, light energy is used to split water molecules, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This process also generates energy-carrying molecules like ATP and NADPH, which are essential for the next step. Think of the light-dependent reactions as the energy-harvesting phase of photosynthesis. They capture and convert light energy into a form that can be used to power the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle takes place in the stroma, the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoids. Here, the energy from ATP and NADPH is used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose, a simple sugar. This process is like building a house, brick by brick, using the energy harvested in the previous step. Together, these two steps form a continuous cycle, converting light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This glucose provides the building blocks and energy source for the plant's growth and development. Photosynthesis is much more than just a process that occurs within plants. It is the very foundation of most food chains on Earth, sustaining life as we know it. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, almost all living organisms rely on photosynthesis either directly or indirectly. Plants, being primary producers, form the base of the food chain. They convert sunlight into usable energy in the form of glucose, which is then passed on to herbivores when they consume plants. Carnivores in turn obtain energy by feeding on herbivores. This transfer of energy continues up the food chain, with each organism relying on the energy originally captured by plants through photosynthesis. Beyond food, photosynthesis also provides us with the oxygen we breathe. During the light-dependent reactions, water molecules are split, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is essential for the survival of most life forms on Earth, including humans. Photosynthesis is the engine that drives life on our planet, providing both the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living organisms and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. While chlorophyll, with its vibrant green hue, is the most well-known pigment involved in photosynthesis, it's not the only one. Plants also contain other pigments called accessory pigments that capture different wavelengths of light, expanding their energy harvesting capabilities. Carotenoids, for instance, are responsible for the vibrant orange and yellow colors of carrots, pumpkins, and autumn leaves. These pigments absorb light in the blue-green region of the spectrum, complementing chlorophyll's absorption. Phycobilins, found in red algae and cyanobacteria, absorb light in the green and yellow regions, allowing these organisms to thrive in deeper waters where light penetration is limited. These accessory pigments play a crucial role in expanding the range of light that plants can utilize for photosynthesis. They also protect plants from excess light damage, acting like natural sunscreens. The diversity of photosynthetic pigments reflects the remarkable adaptability of plants to different light conditions, allowing them to thrive in various environments. Photosynthesis is not confined to terrestrial plants. It also occurs in aquatic environments, thanks to the presence of algae and cyanobacteria. These microscopic organisms, often referred to as phytoplankton, are the primary producers in aquatic ecosystems, forming the base of the food chain. Phytoplankton float near the surface of oceans and lakes, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy. Just like land plants, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, playing a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. Forests, often called the lungs of the planet, are another prime example of photosynthesis in action. Trees, with their vast canopies, capture sunlight and convert it into energy, releasing oxygen in the process. They play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. From the lush rainforests to the vast oceans, photosynthesis is happening all around us, sustaining life and shaping our planet. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living organisms and the importance of protecting these ecosystems. Photosynthesis plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As plants grow, they take in carbon dioxide and convert it into organic compounds, effectively locking it away from the atmosphere. This process, known as carbon sequestration, helps mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Forests, in particular, act as massive carbon sinks, playing a vital role in regulating global temperatures. However, deforestation and other human activities are disrupting this delicate balance. When forests are cleared or burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Protecting existing forests and promoting reforestation efforts are crucial steps in combating climate change. By preserving these natural carbon sinks, we can help mitigate the impacts of human activities on the environment. As the global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. Scientists and researchers are exploring ways to enhance photosynthesis to increase crop yields and ensure food security for future generations. One approach involves genetically modifying crops to improve their photosynthetic efficiency. By tweaking the genes involved in photosynthesis, scientists hope to create crops that can capture sunlight more efficiently and convert it into biomass at a faster rate. Another area of research focuses on developing artificial photosynthesis systems that can mimic the natural process. These systems could potentially be used to generate clean energy and produce valuable chemicals, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Harnessing the power of photosynthesis holds immense potential for addressing global challenges such as food security and climate change. By understanding and manipulating this fundamental process, we can strive towards a more sustainable and equitable future for all.